Hello everybody, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Just kidding. So I am on campus today, just not in the classroom. I am working on more school stuff for you guys. But I will say before I get started with your warm-up today that I am extremely disappointed with my American literature class. You guys are usually my all-stars. You guys are my favorite class to teach, and I never really think I'm going to have any issues with you guys. But in the past couple of days, I think you guys have forgotten my expectations as well as the love that I show you guys every single day, and you guys are really repaying that in a very negative way, and I am taking it very personally. Very personally. You guys know that every single day in my class is important, and every single day is a day on, not a day off. So I just wanted to remind you guys that we have expectations in this class. So I don't want you guys to forget your warrior spirit. You have your rules or my expectations in the front of the class. Number 1, love yourself and others. Number 2, discipline yourself so that no one else has to. Number 3, stay committed and grow. Number 4, speak and listen with an open heart and mind. Number 5, be of service to others. Number 6, fight for what's right. And then finally, in the spirit of In Lakesh, you must remember that you are not in this class by yourself. Not at all. What you do affects everybody else around you as well as myself. So in that spirit, I would like to remind you that you are my other me, and if I do harm to you, I do harm to myself. If I love and respect you, I love and respect myself. So a lot of you guys have really forgotten these very important and critical elements of our class. My class only functions if these are followed. And that is especially true for the days that I am not here with you guys, but I am here in spirit. So I'm extremely disappointed. I'm extremely sad. I expect better from you guys. Um, anyways, let's go back to our warm-up. You guys know that it is always 5 to 7 sentences. You always must complete it. It is not an optional assignment. And today I want you to think about what you have watched in the movie about the LA student walkouts, as well as those of you that went on the field trip with me yesterday. What did you learn? And based on that, what do you think was the driving force of these walkouts? Okay, what led these people to do what they did? Who were they? What was going on around them, not just in their school and in their community, but in the world? And then what is one thing that they've inspired you to do, either now, later, in the future, with your family, with others, your friends, etc., etc. So take about 5 to 7 sentences to do this. Our guest teacher can go ahead and pause the video here and then resume once 10 minutes have gone by, and then I can explain your assignment for today. Okay, so this is going to be your assignment. I have posted a short story on Google Classroom. It is called Women Hollering Creek. So Women Hollering Creek by Sandra Cisneros, and it is on Google Classroom. You're going to pull it up and you're going to read it as a group. If you choose to read it by yourself, you may also do that as well. And then you are going to work on a poster that you are going to create and is due before you leave today. So either in pairs or on your own, you will create a short story review poster of what you read. And just so you guys know, this woman right here, she is Sandra Cisneros. She is the author of this really awesome piece that she wrote about herself and her cultura. So this is what the poster should look like right here. You can do it however you want. I know some of you guys like to take creative liberties, and that's fine. But these are the things that your poster should include. You should have a title, or the title of the short story, the author. Please define any literary elements, and then examples of these literary elements, and I want you to find at least three literary elements. If you forgot what some of these are, it can be anything like theme, motif, conflict, character type, tone, mood, symbols, point of view, metaphors, similes, onomatopoeia, exaggerations, etc., etc. So 3 of those, define what they are, and then find an example of each of those from the story, and then find 3 quotes from the story to support or 3 quotes from the story supporting your literary element. So I want 1 for each of those literary elements that you're finding. And then finally, at the bottom or somewhere on your poster, a 3 to 4 sentence summary. So you can either work by yourself or in groups of 2. Absolutely no more than 2 people working on one poster. This is due before you leave. It should be all well thought out. You can add color. I have colored pencils and markers over by my desk. You can come borrow some. And you are to work diligently. Any of you who do not have this assignment as well as the movie guide turned in and completed before you leave today, you are going to be in serious, serious trouble when I come back tomorrow, because these are not the expectations that I have of you, and you guys know way better than to act that way. So anyways, I hope you guys are staying on task today. I hope you guys take today to really reflect on your behavior and your effort that you have put forth these past few days and this past week. We only have 3 more weeks left to get this together. Otherwise, I will be failing all of you, and I am not going to feel bad for doing so. So anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I will be here. I will be in class. And you can either get a happy Miss Uribe, or you can get a Miss Uribe that is very disappointed in you. So that is going to be up to you. So you guys know what to do. Please get to work. I will see you guys tomorrow.